Hello and welcome to my first unboxing video. In this video I will unbox a pair of Panasonic ErgoFit stereo earphones, model RP-HJE120 I purchased from Amazon. About 2 years ago I purchased an identical set of earphones for listening to my smartphone at home and at work. Fortunately, I would often forget to take the earphones home from the office or forget to take them to work. So I decided to purchase an additional pair to leave at the office. In late March 2020, the price of the earphones was $9.01 USD. Where Amazon got the penny from, I have no idea. So let's unbox the earphones. The earphones come in a plastic container, so let's flip the package over and take a quick look at the specifications provided by Panasonic. Cord length is 3.6 feet or 1.1 meters. The earphones use a standard 1/8 stereo plug or 3.5 millimeters. The earphones have a neodymium magnet. The earphone driver units are 9 millimeters. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The sensitivity is 96 decibels per milliwatt. The impedance is 16 ohms. The power capacity is 200 milliwatts. Now let's open up the packaging, hopefully without too much trouble. Let's speed through this process through the magic of video editing. It looks like the package contains 2 additional sets of ear pads. One set looks like a small set of ear pads and the other looks like the large set of ear pads. Next, let's take out the earphones. The medium-sized ear pads are pre-installed on the earphones. Finally, let's remove the instruction compliance documentation. My overall impression of the earphones is very good. I've been using another pair for a couple of years now and they seem very well constructed and they have traveled between my office and my home daily. In addition, they accompany me on business trips and vacations. The sound quality for me is very good and I have no issues with hearing music or the spoken words through them. Until the next video, best wishes.